Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your HDR color on your Xbox One so your games look better. So just on the home screen here, we want to go up to the top and go to Settings. And then under General, let's go to the right and go to TV and Display Options right here. And then go to Calibrate HDR for games. And we have to set this up. Now this says, before you begin, set your TV into game mode. Set the room lighting to match your normal gameplay environment. Disable your TV's picture sharpening settings. Sharpening can cause unwanted outlines around the test pattern blocks. So go to settings on your TV, and then you need to locate game mode. So if I go to picture right here, I want to go to picture mode, and then choose game mode. Now your TV is going to be a little bit different. Then you also want to go ahead and disable sharpening. So we can go to clarity under my TV, go to sharpening, and we can bring this down all the way to the left. So any kind of sharpening, we want to go ahead and turn off. Then we can go to next on our Xbox, and we're going to be presented this box. Now we can use the D-pad to the left or right, and we want to get to a point where we cannot see the checkered pattern on the background here. So I'm going to make this brighter. You can see a checkered pattern right here. We want to bring this to the left until we cannot see this anymore. So it's going to disappear at some point here. So I can barely see it. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and press next. Then do the same thing on this page. So I'm going to make this one a little bit darker so you can see the checkered pattern. Now it's going to go ahead and disappear when I make it brighter. Then do it again on the last screen here. Make it a little bit brighter or darker, and then press save. And a calibrated image can look a lot better. You can see on this image here the clouds in the sky, and then it's not washed out completely with all the different colors. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.